so honored. Tayo lang. So we have the moment with them.
Hi.
Laida and Nikki. Ayan. We promise you it's gonna be worth the wait. Lloydie, Miss Sarah, may drama lang tayo tuwing vlog ko para mas intimate, nag-i-introduce sila, at saka yung mga vlogs nila kung saan sila susunod. Let's start with the gentleman right there.
I'm Richard from the
Richard, and then?
I'm Morgan.
Of?
Supermorgan.com.
Alright, and please?
I'm Ning of Korea. I'm Javier, Amazing Gym for Life. God bless.
Angie, Mami Life.
Okay.
Federico, ng Mami and Family. That last time.
Again, Mami and Family, ano?
Mami and Family, that last time.
Ah, tara. Mami and Family. Of course.
Hi, I'm Mami Jo from Jo Bunchol.me.
Alright, next please.
I'm Gracie from It's Me Gracie that Blogspot.com.
Alright.
Hello, I'm Justine from Cuento.blogspot.com.
Oh. Next please. Doon.
Yes, Axel.
Okay.
I'm Axel Powerhouse.
Axel Powerhouse.
I'm JR Bustamante. JR Bustamante at Blogspot.com.
Nice.
And I'm Christoph from the Metro Archive at Blogspot.com. And Balin Manila.
Okay. So, ito masaya to kasi medyo intimate, pero let's limit lang about the movie and the characters. Ayan. And the history of Laida and Nikki. Who'd like to ask the first question? Or siguro pabatiin muna natin si Laida. Miss Sarah, please.
Good afternoon po. Thank you po at taking the time na makasama po kami ngayon para sa promotion ng Take 9. Sana po supportahan po natin.
Yeah, sorry, alam ko naghintay kayo. Galing kami sa SIR interview. It took longer than...
I know, medyo dapat 3 tapos na, pero ito, medyo
naghintay din kasi kami. Naghintay din kami.
Forgiven dahil
Pasensya na po for I've kept you waiting. Pero nakakain naman.
Correct.
Naingit nga kami.
Okay, sige, let's start. Who'd like to ask the first question? Ate Mami Jo, go.
Hi, both of you. Siguro kasi it's your third time for the movie. Kung sakaling bibigyan kayo ng choice, kung i-offer kayo ng ibang genre, it's not a romantic comedy. Would you be willing to work together again?
That would be interesting to consider. Kasi ako yung isip ko, ano bang susunod for me and Sarah? Parang rom-com ba ulit? Or hindi ko alam eh. And it keeps me wondering. So, mas exciting siya. So, when something keeps you guessing, so para sa akin, mas exciting. So, I'm looking forward kung ano man yung may isip ng star or ng Viva para sa amin dalawa. But to answer the question directly, I'm willing to try anything as long as it's with Sarah.
Bago sumagot si Sarah, let's all welcome our director, Kat. So, clap talaga. And Ms. Carmen Raimundo, creator of the characters and the story. Halika, Miss Direct, please. Another chair for Miss Carmen, please. Ayan. Okay, papatiin muna natin bago sumagot si Miss Sarah. Direct, hati ka naman sa mga top vloggers natin, please.
Hello, first time ko to. Ano ba ginagawa dito?
Pero presto, wala lang intriga. Hindi lang sila mahilig pang intriga. Miss Carmi.
Hello, good afternoon po.
Okay. Miss Sarah,
Yun yung inaabangan ko.
To the forward.
Yun yung inaabangan ko sa aming dalawa. Kasi syempre tumatanda na rin kami. At ako, personally, gusto kong mag-grow as an actor, as an actress. At wala akong naiisip na ibang hindi na gagawin yun.
Meron pa bang siko?
Kasi wala na.
Baka naman yun. Uprod po siya.
Okay. Next question, please. Ayan, si
To
Crystal.
John Lloyd, in the trailer we saw how Laida's character was so different. So in this part, what are the differences between the movie before and the movie now?
Wala.
Has Miggy like changed or stayed the same?
Malaki. Hindi lang siguro evident dun sa trailer. But actually, kaya nagkaroon ng partner. Malaking dahilan is kung bakit. Is dahil ano siya to the rescue to the rescue si Laida as always sa kanyang love of her life. And kung ano man sabihin na direct.
Kung si Miggy 0.5.
Parang sumuko na lang siya. Feeling indifferent. So malaking, di ba, coming from You Changed My Life. Ganda-ganda na tapos. So,
Tita Malu, managing director, Tita Malu. Yun lang nasabi Tita Malu. Ganda.
Ganda, iyak na tayo, direct. Breakdown. Breakdown na ako. Maganda eh.
Hindi sinabi niya na kasali.
Saka na naka-shorts yung sabi ko. Pinatay mo nga po ako.
intimate niya po.
Thank you.
What was the question again? Did he answer that? He did not.
And to Miss Sarah naman, we saw in the trailer how different you portrayed Laida. So, who was your inspiration, or what was your inspiration behind that to pull that character off? Because I believe so that in personal life, you're very formal, but in that movie, you really push the boundaries. So, what and who is your inspiration? Do you have an actress, or do you watch any movies?
But all out English, ano? Parang ako mismo. Go hard.
I am.
Oh, yeah.
I might
Hi.
Sobrang ko naka-identify sa character ko. Sabi ni Direk Cathy, matagal kami hindi nagkasama, nakatulong yun sa growth namin. As a person, at as Laida, kumbaga sinasabi ko na nga na parang si Laida at si Sarah iisa na lang eh. So, yung pagiging braver at bolder at fiercer niya, parang si Sarah din yun. Yun nga lang, si Laida, oo, nakawit.
Okay. Next, go ahead.
Having said that, na same lang sila ng character or pinagdaan, ano yung natutunan mo?
Hindi naman po same.
Oh,
Hindi naman same.
yung personality.
Personality.
So, ano yung natutunan mo as Laida? Na para pag dumaan ka or tinahak mo yung daan na yun, is babago mo na siya or alam mo na as Sarah.
Nakatulong ko sa kanya. Cathy, pag nagmahal ka, mature ka, nandun yung understanding. At pag nagmahal ka, kasama yung pain, kasama yung joy, yung lahat. Kailangan handa kang tanggapin lahat ng yun. And, forgiveness, dun mo malalaman kapag talagang mahal mo isang tao, kapag feeling ka mag-forgive. Dun mo malalaman kung gaano ka yung worth ng tao para sa'yo pag kinaya mo magpatawad.
So, pag nadaan ni Sarah yun, alam mo na.
Oo naman, dinadaanan ko na siya.
Okay. How about John? Sa character naman ni is there any similarity? John and
Ako dyan siya umiyak sa question na yun ng press ko. What have you learned from your character?
Hindi ko naman intentional, but mula part 1, parang naging organic yung process ng paggawa ng movie. I'll speak for myself, sige, ako na lang. Talagang naging personal yung journey being ni Miggy. And to this date, I can very much identify with him sa mga natutunan niya, sa mga pinagdaanan niya. And sa mga, especially itong part 3, especially dito, yung mga sinabi sa akin ng tatay ko in the story, talagang tumatak talaga siya. Kaya nga, nung natanong nga yan, talagang iwasan yung emotional. Saka, basta fact na yun, ito na eh, parang ito na yung part 3, malamang ito na yung huli para sa amin ni Lyda. So, kasama na yun doon. Parang nahirapan lang din ako parang to disconnect ba. You know, it's like saying goodbye to these characters na nag-exist sa buhay ko for the past how many years. And alam mo naman tayo pag tumaba ako dito personal. So, hinayaan ko siya. Kaya lang naman yung
What was your favorite line? Or scene?
Watch lang tayo sa March 30.
Thank you.
Sorry.
More questions, please? Ayan, Ate Jo ulit.
Pwede po magtanong sa writer. How was it, Ma'am Car, paano po, gano'n po katagal ninyo na-conceptualize yung how each of the characters evolved from part 2? Gano'n kahirap yung process ng pagsulat sa dito sa part? Madugo, sobrang dugo. Nakita ko ni Direk na bumbreakdown. Ilang beses bumibreakdown para mabuo yung kwento. Tinakbo namin kasi 1 year, diba? Para gawin yung movie. Parang ganun din, buong taon namin na start. Kasi ang hirap dahil may part 1 eh, diba? 3 pelikula siya eh. So parang ang layo nung kinanggalingan ng character. So parang from part 1, ita-trace mo yun eh, kung saan talaga dadalhin yung character. So sobrang hirap, sobrang dugo kung paano umabot dun sa point na yun sa part 3. Pero nung natapos, parang everything fell into place. Yun yung ang sarap sa feeling na it fell into place. Lahat ng naging journey ni Miggy, naging journey ni Lyda, hindi conscious, pero it fell into place. Parang
Did you have to consider the actors when writing the script?
Always naman po. Palaging kinoconsider yun, yung actors. Kasi part din namin sila, di ba? Collaboration din namin talagang malaki to. So, sobrang laking consideration na actors.
Do they also have special requests?
Hindi special request, pero what I appreciate about John Lloyd and Sarah, I can collaborate with them. We can collaborate with them, kami ni Direk. Parang si John Lloyd especially, dahil ilang beses na kami nagkakatrabaho nila Direk Cassie, palagi naman yan eh. Isa sa mga mamimiss ko sa paggawa ng movie with them, every morning pag may shoot, pinag-uusapan muna namin yung script eh. So may input sila, may input si John Lloyd, and this time talaga ako proud ako si Sarah. Sobra. She collaborated with us, so naririnig ko yung thoughts ni Sarah. Ang laking tulong. Kasi since, ang ganda diba, dahil 3 movies na, kilala na rin nila yung mga characters nila. Ang laki nung nai-input na nila.
Si Direk po, may tanong po kay Direk. Habang inaamit.
Ang bango ng baso. Opo.
Si Direk, because you have also other characters in the film. Yung pong also starring sina Alcantara, who among them are new to the sequel? At sino yung mga dati?
Si Ben lang po and one office mate, kailangan talaga namin bago. Kailangan hindi siya dating tauhan. And then Bell lang. Silang dalawa lang. All other else are from the movie.
Direct Bell is Isabel Daza.
Si Bell. Isabel Daza. Siya yung ka-triangle.
You're good now.